Hi gals, I'm Nicole from Paleo4PCOS.com, and I just wanted to talk to you real quick today about my paleo for my PCOS. Just some modifications that I do so that it will work fabulous with my paleo. I do have notes, so I'm sorry if I keep looking down. And this is my first video, so I'm a little nervous, so please excuse my ahs and ums and all the weird faces I'm probably going to make. Anyway, so quick overview about paleo is the paleo diet basically imitates what our ancestors ate back in the Paleolithic era, which is like caveman status, or cave girl status as I like to call it. And that's basically no grains, no dairy, no legumes, no sugar, and then we also stay away from iodized salt, hydrogenated oils like vegetable oils, anything processed, and caffeine. So sorry ladies, no coffee. But there are a couple modifications that I do, since I do have PCOS and I do have insulin resistance. If you don't know what that is, that means that your body makes a lot of insulin, and then it just gets to the point where your body doesn't want to recognize it anymore. So it has an effect on my blood sugar. So my blood sugar stays up if I eat things that are really sweet, and then that tends to lead to belly fat, which nobody likes. Anyhow, so the fruits that I avoid are anything sweet. So they measure fruit on the glycemic index, which is just telling you how much sugar is in a particular food. We need to eat low glycemic index fruits. Things like blueberries and blackberries and green apples. All this stuff is good. The fruits that you want to avoid, because they're going to be really sweet, things like kiwi, mango, raisins, dates, bananas, apricots, peaches, those like sweet fruits. But that is probably like the #1 thing that I cut out. I went paleo cold turkey, so no sugar, no nothing, and I didn't want to substitute extra fruit for the sugar that I was no longer eating. Another thing with the fruit is that you need to eat it with a lean protein, like a small handful of nuts. My favorite snack is green apple and like a small handful of pecans. The reason the pecans are there for is to keep the sugar in the apple from spiking my blood sugar. So it helps to lower it down, and then that way I have nice blood sugar levels throughout the whole day. But that was just one of my modifications. I will have another video up about my veggie modification for you guys. But you can visit me at paleo4PCOS.com. That's my blog. And all there I'll have recipes and stuff that are perfect for us gals with PCOS and on the paleo diet. So, yeah, so I am so excited to see you guys there, and I'll talk to you soon. Ciao!